A new report by the Financial Times has revealed that Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, has allegedly hidden its connections to China for years. Despite claiming to have left the country following the 2017 crypto crackdown, internal company documents obtained by the Financial Times suggest that Binance has maintained significant ties to China, including an office used until at least 2019 and a Chinese bank for salary payments. The report has come to light as U.S. regulators sue Binance for serving American clients illegally and avoiding regulation. The news also follows U.S. Senator Bill Hagerty's recent concerns about Binance's connections to the Chinese Communist Party, accusing the company of conducting business in emerging markets in a predatory fashion. Binance and its CEO, Changpeng Zhao, have denied any links to China or its government, but the revelations will add fuel to the fire in the ongoing legal battle. Meanwhile, the founder of failed crypto firm FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried, is facing new charges in the U.S. for allegedly bribing a Chinese official with at least $40 million to regain access to trading accounts frozen by local authorities, adding to the fraud case filed against him last year. What do you guys think about it? Subscribe to NFT Premier for more updates.